There is not anyone else in my life who understands me the way that my father does.
An emotional plea from Kevin Johnson's 19-year-old daughter days before he's set to be executed. Good evening, I'm Brent Solomon. Johnson is scheduled to be executed Tuesday for killing a police officer. Johnson's advocates are trying to delay his death. 5 on your side, Justina Cornell now with what happens from here. Justina.
Yeah, Brent, so advocates have been asking Missouri Governor Mike Parson for clemency. But in a recent interview, Parson said the execution is still on. However, it will be up to the Missouri Supreme Court to decide what's next.
My name is Corey Ramey. I'm 19 years old. I am a new mom to my new boy, and I'm not going to read anymore.
Early Friday morning, in a virtual news conference, an emotional Corey Ramey is taken back and can't move forward.
I will finish reading the statement that she prepared.
Michelle Smith, co-director of Missourians for Alternatives to the Death Penalty, takes over and reads Ramey's plea to stop her father's execution next week. Ramey's dad is Kevin Johnson.
And he is the most important person in my life.
Johnson shot and killed a Kirkwood officer, William McEntee, in 2005. Ramey was 2 at the time, and since then, she's also lost her mom.
When I was 4 years old, my mother, Dana Ramey, was murdered in front of me by her ex-boyfriend.
Ramey now faces another hurdle. She's 19, and in the state of Missouri, you have to be 21 to witness an execution.
We're asking the court to find that this irrational and illogical law discriminates against Corey, and that Missouri shouldn't use it as an excuse to keep her from bearing witness for her father when he is taken away from her.
As for Johnson, on Monday, last-minute oral arguments will happen in front of the Missouri Supreme Court. This is after recent findings claim racism in the case, and the plea is to delay the execution.
This is a case where it's the prosecutor asking to stop the execution. I've been doing this work for a long time, and I've never had a case where the prosecutor asked to stop the execution.
Johnson and Ramey's attorneys believe they have a chance.
We're extremely hopeful.
For now, the two wait, and Johnson connects with a spiritual advisor in his potential final days, making peace with what's next.
Kevin also was baptized on November the 8th. I heard it was a very emotional visit. They talked, they prayed.
Now, earlier this week, we did reach out to William McEntee's family. We're told they do not want to talk and explain. This is a very emotional situation. McEntee was a husband and father of 3.